Need to change Alexa's language from English to Spanish? By doing this, you can switch Alexa to Spanish in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on your Alexa device quickly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. After that, try to follow the steps. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your Echo device name. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on language. Here you will see a list of available languages. Scroll down, select Español, España, for Spanish. Then tap OK. Again, tap OK, and it's switched to Spanish. So, this is how you can change Alexa's language from English to Spanish. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.